In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this Coleman Montana 8-person tent, take it down, pack it up, and also how long it takes. To set up this Montana 8-person tent, first lay the tent body on the ground and stake the 4 corners out lightly if you need to. Then grab the 2 longest black fiberglass poles and insert them into the 2 green pole sleeves at the center of the tent. This will form an X shape. Insert the ends of the black fiberglass poles into one of these pins at the bottom of the tent. After propping the poles up, attach the pole clips and your tent will look like this. Next, grab the only 2 gray colored poles, and these are for the sides of the tent. Insert them through these green pole sleeves and secure each end into these pins as well. To fix up the hinged D-door, grab the 2 thinnest and shortest fiberglass poles. The shortest pole is for the straight side of the door and the other one is for the curved side of the door. Push it through the sleeve, curve it, secure both ends to these rubber gaskets and then zip the pole sleeve up. Grab the last fiberglass pole, which is black in color with a red ring, and insert it into the red tipped pole sleeve of the rainfly. Secure the pole with 4 of these Velcro attachments. Next, put the rainfly up. The front of the rainfly is green and the rest of it is white. At the back of the tent, secure the S-hooks of the rainfly to the rings at the bottom of the tent. There are 2 S-hooks for each ring. At the front of the tent, bend the fiberglass pole and secure each end into the last pin at the bottom of the tent. Also hook the 2 S-hooks to each ring. Then stake out the extended edges of the rainfly for your vestibule, like so. There are also Velcro attachments along each pole to better align the rainfly if you want to use them. Now pull the rainfly over the edge of the window and then guy it out. Do so for both sides of the Montana tent. There are another 3 guy lines at the back of the tent and another 4 at the front of the tent, so 9 guy lines in total. Use another 8 stakes to stake out the tent body. Please help me smash that like button if this has been helpful, I really appreciate it. Altogether, it took me and my bro about 11 minutes to set up the entire Montana 8-person tent, and I set up the entire tent on my own in about 22 minutes. Taking down the Montana 8-person tent is just the reverse of the setup, and it took my bro and I about 7.5 minutes for the entire takedown and pack up. On my own, it took me about 14.5 minutes. To pack up the Montana 8-person tent, I usually fold it in half 3 times widthwise. Then I roll it up while trying to push air out at the same time. For the rainfly, I usually keep folding it in half, about 6 times until it gets small enough to fit back into the carry bag. To get everything back in easily, I had to rip out this strip at the bottom of the bag. I'll leave 2 videos here for more info on this tent. One is a rain test on this Montana 8-person tent and the other is a complete review. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.